My name is Mandy Hackle, and this is my final exam. The purpose is to show what I have learned during the course of COM 201. The main idea is to show what I have learned this semester and how I will apply it to my future. The first question was to identify 3 techniques and/or pieces of knowledge from the class that will benefit me in my future career. I have chosen the following 3: eye contact, pacing yourself when you speak, and the proper use of facial and hand gestures. The second question was discuss why these skills, techniques, and/or pieces of knowledge are important. Making eye contact with your audience shows that the speaker is confident, knowledgeable, and that you have great self-esteem. When speaking, it's a good idea to pace yourself so that your audience can understand what you are saying, but it also gives the audience a chance to understand and think about what they are hearing. The proper use of hand and facial gestures is something a speaker needs to know when to use, how much to use, and that too much can be a distraction to their audience, taken away from their speech. The next question was explain how I will use each of these 3 items that I have identified in my current or my future career. By making eye contact with my patients and/or their families will show that I have the confidence and the knowledge to help them. By speaking at a rate that they can understand will eliminate the problem for any miscommunication. By not using too many facial or hand gestures will keep my patients and their families from being distracted while we are talking. The last question was suggest 1 or more workplace situations in which you will need to be effectively demonstrating these skills in the topics that I have selected. Since I will be becoming a nurse, eye contact with my patients and their families will be quite important, as it will show that I care about them and the situation and that I am not avoiding them. When speaking with the patient and their family, if I speak too fast, they may become confused or not get the whole story. It also shows that if I speak too fast, that I'm not giving them my full attention or that I do not care about what's going on with them. And lastly, by not using appropriate face or hand gestures could show that I do not care, that I'm too busy, or that I do not have any emotional connection with them or their family. Thank you.